Hello.
Hello, my name is Dr. I'm the attending physician today. Uh, can I ask your name, your son's name?
Yeah, this is Joshua, doctor, and yeah, he's yellowish in color. So I thought we did this blood test, and it showed that he's having an illness that they said. So I don't know what it is.
Well, would you like somebody come with you?
No, that's fine, doctor. Just tell me what is it.
Okay. Uh, I am really sorry that here he is not feeling good. First of all, can you tell me more about his problem?
Uh, whose problem?
Uh,
Joshua.
Joshua's problem.
Joshua's problem. Okay. Yeah, he's yellow, and then the doctor said that he has a rare disease. He might have a rare disease. So they did the tests, and yeah. So yeah, I don't know what this is.
Uh,
I'm really worried. I'm worried death.
I can understand your concerns. I have the test results. I have the test results here, and it shows that it's a condition known as biliary atresia. Have you ever heard about that?
No, I don't know. So what does that mean?
It's a liver disease that make it impossible to digest fat.
Uh,
That's okay. That's the reason of the yellowish appearance of Joshan. And
uh, Okay, so is there something I did when I was pregnant?
Uh, I cannot say it's certainly because it might be due to different conditions. It might be congenital
Mm.
as a result of some problems in pregnancy, or in some cases, it can be due to a viral infection after the birth.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, so um, does this mean that you said that he cannot digest any food?
He has a problem in digesting fatty food because the ducts in her liver cannot pass the uh, substance that is needed for digestion of food.
All right.
Okay.
So
Uh,
will he grow out of it, or I mean, would he actually get any better?
it's a chronic condition, and it needs surgery.
Oh,
Uh,
surgery.
yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
well, is it not dangerous because he's so tiny?
I know he's only 1 month old, but it's a condition um, that is seen among uh, uh, infants. And the good news is we have very expert surgeons here, pediatric surgeons here, and I can refer Joshans to them for doing the surgery. What do you think?
Oh, it's unimaginable. So it is so hard.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
right. Good. Okay, so what we have is a baby with biliary atresia. Okay. So you need to explain what biliary atresia is because I wouldn't know. Okay. How was it? 7.
7.
Okay. یعنی خوب بود.
بد نبود فکر کنم 6 و 7 بود دیگه.
Okay, not bad. So این اون 7 نمره که شما گرفتید از کدوم اینا بود؟ از structure و از اینا کدوماش خوب بود؟
استراکچر هم خوب بود.
اوکی. یعنی هدفمند بود و لاجیکال بود. اوکی. اوکی. راپو چطور بود؟
راپو خیلی مطمئن نبودم چجوری باید مثلا همون اولش میخوام با شروع کنم به حرف زدن بگم بچه چطوره خودتون چطورین.
نه بچه مریض مهمه دیگه. Okay. Yeah. So what's your son's name? Is Joshua. Okay. How's Joshua now? Well, he's the same. He hasn't changed. He's yellow. Okay. Okay. So okay. Information gathering. Yeah.
خوب بود. سوال ازش کردم.
گفتین چی شد اومدین و پرابلمش چی بود و اینا. اوکی. آیس.
آیس بد نبود.
اوکی. چه کنسرنایی داشت؟
اینکه جراحی سرجری اینکه خطرناکه خوب میشه.
میتونه غذا هضم بکنه یا نه؟ آیا از این ریکاور میکنه؟ یعنی does he grow out of it؟ سرجری بود. یکی هم دیگه هم بود. چی بود اون یکی؟ نه
یادم نمیاد.
pregnancy. تقصیر من بوده، من کاری کردم اینجوری شده، یا اینکه شما هم که جوابشو دادین دیگه، گفتین که نه این ممکنه وایرال اینفکشن باشه. So or maybe congenital. پس آیسا رو هم شما فهمیدین. Information giving چی؟ آیا
فکر کنم ضعیفترینش همین اینفورمیشن گیوینگ بود.
چرا مگه همه اینا رو شما نگفتین؟
چرا گفتم سرجری با سرجری پروگنوزش خوبه.
Okay, you didn't say that 75%. You never mentioned liver transplant, but that's okay. That's fine. اشکال نداره. Okay. Okay. So شما به من بگید که این ستایی که از دست دادیم مال چی بود و بعد چی کار میکردیم که اون ستا رو هم پر کنیم.
احساس میکنم شاید یه کمی پخش و پلا گفتم، یعنی یه کمی باید استراکچرش قوی تر می بود.
اوکی. خب پس اوکی ببینیم استراکچرمون چجوری بود. پس اول شما گفتی استراکچر خوب بود ولی بعدش گفتی نبود. اوکی.
نگاه میکنم.
اوکی. اینو که ما نگاه میکنیم چه چیزی میبینیم؟ Parent of 1 month old boy was admitted to hospital. Parent was concerned with jaundiced appearance. Blood test shows biliary atresia. Okay. So اینجا گفته advise دیگه، اینا همش اینه که همه توضیحه. پس شما باید خودتون information gathering رو از خودتون چیز بکنید، در بیارید. اوکی. بعدش در واقع شما همین که گفتید که بعد سوال کنید اوکی چطور شد که اومدین اینا رو توضیح میده بعد میگه که آره حالا یه سری بلاد تست انجام دادین شما میگه yes I've got the blood test and it's good news and bad news okay would you like me to tell you the good news or bad news first what's the bad news okay well, the bad news is that it is something called biliary atresia. And is that all right? Do you know what it means? No. Okay. It means that there is no connection between liver and the bowels. Okay. All right. Okay. And it means that Joshua cannot digest any fat. Is it all right? Okay. Now, so then I ask questions. Okay. پس شما در واقع اون قسمت اول رو که مطمئن نبودی میگفتی که آره چجوری باید من سوال میکردم و چجوری باید میگفتم. This is breaking bad news somehow. Okay. So you need to say, you need to give, you did mention that, would you like someone to come with you? But then again, you need to say, okay, there's good news and bad news. Which one would you like to hear first? So what's the bad news? And then you say that. And then you say, okay, after you break the news, you say, okay, the good news is that it can be treated. And we have diagnosed it early. Okay. 1 month old, they're babies. They're newborns, actually. Okay. So they're babies. Infant is after 1 month up to, now some say 1 year, some say 18 months. Okay. اینفانتو فکر میکنم که 12 ماه بوده اول بعد گفتن 18 ماه نمیدونم بعضی هم مثل که تا 2 سال هم میگن ولی الان نمیدونم دقیقا چجوریه فکر کنم همون 18 ماهه
تا 2 ساله
تا 2 ساله اوکی
فکر میکنم
بعدش هم تادلر و بعدم چایلد ولی بیبی این 1 ماهه میشه نیوبورن or baby okay پس and you said I'm sorry that Joshua is not well. You said he's not good. No, he's good. He's a good boy. I'm sorry he's not feeling well. Okay. پس yeah, فقط همین قسمتش بود من فکر میکنم که ولی بقیهش استراکچر خوب بود خوب نبود
حس خوبی نداشتم شاید به خاطر همین که چند تا کلمه رو گیر کردم دیگه
چرا گیر کردین؟
دنبال همین کلمه بیبی داشتم میگشتم بگم توی چه رده سنی شایع هستش مثلا این مخصوص همین رده است
بعد چی میخواستین رو بگین؟
آخه گفتش این خیلی بچه من کوچیکه میخواستم بگم که مثلا این کلن بیماری همین سنه مثلا همین بچه هاست همه قدری هاست
Well, yeah, he's tiny. He's very little, but well, that's what happens. And yeah, and we have very good surgeons who can deal with that. So he's very likely to be treated. Okay. You say 75% of cases there's they're absolutely fine. But 25% unfortunately end up with liver transplant. Okay. So okay. فکر کنم که پس همون یه مقدار در واقع شما به خاطر جمله سازی احساس بدی کردین به نظرم استراکچر خوب بود فقط همون تیکه اول دیگه که اون قسمت اول شما میتونستی یه ذره متفاوت تر بگی چون breaking bad news در واقع okay good